Talking away. I don't know what to say. I'll say it anyway. Hey, all you IHOP Denny lovers out there. Welcome to
the best cooking show in the world.
2 chefs,
1 knife,
and a lot of bowls. You got a lot of bowls coming to me like this.
I do.
Oh, IHOP. Is that because all their servers have 1 leg? That's a good joke.
Okay. What are we doing today?
We're doing French toast.
We're doing French toast.
French toast.
Yeah. Just to add to our waffle and to our pancake.
We need to complete the trifecta. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing a coconut-infused brioche French toast.
And I'm going to do a cheesecake French toast.
I'm Chef MPH.
I'm Chef Grace / Chef Yam.
I guess today I'll let you go first.
Okay. Cheesecake.
You're welcome.
Oh, okay. What's cheesecake without cream cheese icing?
That's true.
Right. So I'm going to start with that.
3, 2, 1.
So we have a block of cream cheese here.
Wow, can you get a big enough bowl for that block of cheese?
Well, I was really going to do it by hand, and I realized, you know what? Let's just not do that by hand.
How big is that block?
And then I'm going to put some vanilla in here.
That was precise measurement of exactly
Yes.
2 teaspoons.
And about, I don't know.
And I don't know of icing sugar.
Yeah, icing sugar.
She doesn't know it because she puts half of it on the table.
Yep. You know what? I don't care anymore, okay?
Screw you guys! I'm going home.
And then literally you just mix it all together. Hello! So I just like to mention, I sifted the icing sugar before. Yeah, that's it. Can you see the garbage?
Well, the camera is pointing right at you. Oh! Burn!
Anyway, alright, so we're gonna make the Royale. So I'm just gonna use a basic egg and cream mixture because we don't have any milk. So I got 3 eggs. Totally measuring here. Now because my French toast is gonna be nice and sweet with the cream cheese, I'm not gonna put any sugar in my Royale. It's just gonna be straight up egg and cream. You always want to put it like in a flat dish. It's way easier to dip your bread in. And if you're gonna make like a plain French toast, feel free to add some cinnamon, some vanilla, whatever you like, except
and sugar.
And sugar, but no like soy sauce or anything like that. So.
That's weird. That's gross, Grace.
All right, there you go.
My turn. Coconut French toast. Eggs. Alright, we're gonna crack one at a time because I have an odd number. If I had an even number, you can do the ready? Oh! We're gonna whisk it.
This is why he's married and I'm not. Especially this part.
We got eggs. So since I'm doing coconut, we got some, look at this. Like, look at that coconut. So we're gonna hit it with some of the coconut. So we're gonna whisk the coconut into the eggs. We are going to hit it with just a tiny bit of whipping cream just to help thin out the fat of the coconut, add a little richness to it. All right, my coconut is unsweetened, so we are going to add a little bit of sugar. There we go. And maybe a little bit of vanilla, just because we can. We put the lime in the coconut and gotta shake it. Pineapple might be good too.
It would be.
Pineapple juice with the
pina colada.
Pina colada French toast. Oh my god! I said it first. I won. Our minds are on the same wavelength. So, like Chef Yam did, we're going to put it into a flat vessel, easier for dipping. And then I am also going to take a little bit of just shredded coconut, unsweetened also. We're going to put a little bit in this one. Bam. So we're going to give it a little spray. Ooh, that's hot. All right, we're going to spread the butter around. So we're going to put our bread into the mix. Is she thick? Alright, get this side all good. I'm gonna flip it. So we're using brioche. You can use like cinnamon bread could be good. You could just use white bread. You know, all bread. We're not prejudiced against our bread. Alright, so from here we're gonna dip it into the coconut. Shaved coconut. And onto the top. Into the coconut. Onto the top. Look at that. Here we go, guys.
Wow.
Feel like some French toast. Air hockey French toast.
Yeah.
Your mouth is the goal.
That's what she said.
Ah, that's gross, Grace. people could just smell this through the phone.
What do you mean the phone? It's through our like $50,000 camera.
Oh, all right. We got some bread. Oh, it's so soft. The brioche when it's all heated in the mix. Oh man, that's gonna be delightful. There you go, guys. Coconut brioche French toast.
So same thing, just different crusts. You just want to let it soak a little bit. Let's let it soak. And about 30 seconds later.
That was fast.
Yep.
What's that you're dipping in?
We have some graham cracker crumbs. You know, everyone uses like corn flakes and this and that. We're doing different, okay? And we'll do it again.
Oops, we did it again. We dipped in the egg. We're tossing the bread.
Ooh, baby, baby.
Ooh, it's looking real moist. Are you gonna add graham cracker to it?
Yes, I am.
That's supposed to be some kind of ancient symbol of paganism or something? Like, why are they?
It's abstract.
Why are they? Oh, there we go.
It's time to flip. So, because it's so thick and I don't want this to burn, I'm just gonna get a quick sear on both sides and then I'm gonna finish it in the oven just to prevent it from burning and to get the middle all cooked, you know? Look at that. It looks delicious.
Good job. Good job. Where's your burp?
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, so it's nice and seared on all sides. I'm going to transfer it to a rack. The rack's going to keep it all crispy on all sides. Into the oven, 350 degrees for about 8 minutes. Beep boop boop beep boop.
I thought it was one of those easy bakes with the light bulb.
That's my stripper name, Easy Bake Oven.
Ew, that is gross, Grace.
So I have my cream cheese icing.
Delicious.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a delicious sandwich out of this. So I'm gonna smush that on there like so.
Wow.
Yep. Be generous, because this isn't about calorie saving. This is about
No, it's not about getting diabetes
No.
either. Look at
And
that.
There you go. Like that.
Damn.
Damn. Do it again.
That is hallelujah.
And then now we're just going to add a little bit more. So we put the icing in the microwave.
thick.
That's okay.
This is spread around.
Mm.
Oh, there you go. She's thick. That looks delicious now.
I got some almonds.
Almonds.
This is very optional. Just because it wasn't sweet enough.
Maybe some. Wow. So I am going to cut my French toast in half.
We'll be right back after these messages.
We got toast. We got coconut. Let's go a little bit of syrup. And then from here, we're gonna hit it with some melted chocolate. And then from there, hit it with some fresh coconut, toasted coconut. And there we go. I'd just like to say before we dip into this though, that if you go back to our pancake and use that syrup also with this dish.
Oh my god.
And then instead of the walnuts, add bananas. What? That's right, I just went there.
Yeah, you did.
Try that too. Delicious, man. All right, I got my piece. Cheers.
Cheers.
French toast. Oh my god. Coconut with the maple syrup is so good.
That's so good.
Mm.
Mmm. I think this beats all of the pancakes, the
Yeah.
waffle, everything. Like,
That was fantastic.
and it's like the easiest one too.
Yeah. Chef Yam's going back in.
Yep.
Look at that. Oh man.
Mmm.
Next. It's like if a cinnamon bun and a cheesecake had a baby. That's what it would look like.
Yeah.
All right, I got it. Like. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ah.
Mmm.
Oh my gosh. It almost tastes like.
Cinnabon.
Yeah. It's good. It's cream cheese. You can't go wrong. But you're right. You do not need to add any sugar to that egg recipe because that's sweet. Like wow.
They're both
Delightful.
delicious. Yeah.
Can't go wrong either recipe. Did we just kick breakfast as? Yep.
Take on me.
Take all me.